Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. This is Niharika and I have come up with another tutorial today. Halo eyes. It has pinks, purples, goldens. It has very summery vibes to it. If you want to learn, please keep on watching. So I've started with this time toner because of just washed my face. And this toner is really nice. It's from Good Vibes, the rose water one. Then I had applied a moisturizer. It's a gel based moisturizer from Ponds. Then I'm filling my eyebrows with a brow pomade from Freedom. I'm just taking little by little and filling up my eyebrows, and then I'm going to comb my eyebrows to just blend the color. Now I'm applying a concealer. It's Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm blending it with a sponge all over the eyelid, and then I'll be setting it up with a loose powder. You can use any loose powder that you have. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills palette today. It's a Jackie Aina palette. It's a beautiful palette if you want to invest in. I'll be using these three shades: light pink, purple and dark purple. So I'm starting with the lightest pink. I'm applying it above the crease area. And as you can see, I'm taking it into the inner corner of the eyes also. You need to slowly build up the color and take it further to the inner corner as well, because we will be creating halo eyes, so you need to take it to the inner corner. After this, I have taken the medium shade color, which is a mix of pink and purple. I'm blending it on my crease and deepening the crease further with the darkest color of the purple. See, I'm blending it properly. I'm blending all of them together and I'm just deepening the color and then blending it. Next, with a larger blending brush, I am blending everything together so that it looks seamless. Now I'm taking the black color from the Huda Beauty palette and packing it on my outer corner and also on the inner corners to deepen to create some depth in my inner and outer corners. Then I'll take again the dark purple color and I am blending it over the black color so that the black is not visible, more the purple comes out. Now I'm taking the golden shade and packing it on my center of the eyelid. Since I was not happy with the pigmentation, I used my fingers to apply the color. Now I'm taking the purple shade, it's the shimmery shade, and I'm blending the edges of the golden eyeshadow with that purple shimmery shade. I'm packing the color again to increase the intensity. Now I'm lining my eyes with the liquid liner. I will not be doing the wing eyelining. I'm just creating a simple liner because I want my eyeshadow to pop out. Now I have applied the eyelashes as you can see. And now I'm cleaning my face with a wet wipe and starting with my base. I've started with a primer here. It's a mattifying primer. I'm using the mattifying primer because I want the focus to be on the eyes more. So I'll be doing the matte base look today. I'm applying the peach corrector. I didn't see much of my under eye dark circles, so I'm using the peach corrector here. and there was a little bit darkness around my mouth, so I'm using the orange there and the green to cut out the redness. I love this eye look. You can see it looks so pretty with the eyelashes on. I really like this look. Now I'm applying the foundation here. I'm using the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. Again, I'm using all matte foundation so that the focus is on the eyes and not on anywhere on the face or anywhere else. So I'm applying the cream contour. I'm using the Nika palette here and blending the contour with a sponge. So the jawline contour has to be blended downwards towards the neck, and when you blend on the cheek line, you have to blend it upwards. Now I'm highlighting my face using a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm not going crazy on the highlight. I'm just using a little bit under the eyes and on the nose, on my above my lips area, on the chin. That's it. And I'm blending the concealer properly. Now I'll be highlighting my face using the powder. It's a mix of yellow and white loose powder. I'm placing it on my highlight areas and setting up the entire face with a loose powder. Use a powder brush here. If you have normal skin, I don't think you would need so much of powder. Now I'm taking a bronzer. It's from Bahama Mama bronzer, and I am contouring, setting up the contour that I have just used. Now I'm placing the blush. Back to my eyes, I am applying the Kajal, and I'll be blending up the Kajal first and then using a dark purple eyeshadow, and I'll blend the dark shadow along with the dark purple one. Then I'll again take the light pink eyeshadow and I will blend the edges so it will give soft look and more smoky look, and your upper eyelids and lower lids will look more blended together. Now I'm just cleaning up my under eyes and applying the highlight. The highlighter I'm using here is from Wet n Wild. Lining my lips, I'll be using the nude color here today. This is from Maybelline. It's in the shade Touch of Spice. And now I'm blending all the colors. And this is my final look. I hope you like it. It's a beautiful summery color look. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. Please like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.